Have you ever felt like you've lost something precious, but deep down, there's a feeling that it might be restored? Life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes it feels like everything we cherish slips through our fingers. However, there are moments when we sense that this isn't the end of the story. It's as if a whisper of hope tells us that something greater is on the horizon. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a sign that God is at work, preparing to bring back what we've lost. The path to restoration is often filled with signs, gentle nudges from the universe that guide us back to the blessings we thought were gone forever. Recognizing these signs is crucial because they offer comfort and assurance that restoration is possible. Today, we'll explore the 9 signs that God is about to restore what you've lost, providing you with the insight to recognize and embrace the renewal that's coming your way. Recognizing these signs is not just a spiritual exercise, it's a lifeline. Ignoring them might lead to missed opportunities for healing and renewal. Imagine being on the brink of receiving a long-lost treasure, but because you were unaware of the signs, it slipped away again. These signs are gifts from God, offering guidance and assurance in times of uncertainty. By being attentive and open to these divine messages, we can position ourselves to receive the restoration that is meant for us. Failing to see these signs can mean staying stuck in a cycle of loss and despair, missing out on the blessings waiting just around the corner. The stakes are high because they impact our spiritual, emotional, and even physical well-being. Embracing these signs means opening ourselves to a life of abundance and fulfillment. So, let's delve into these signs and understand how they can lead us to a path of renewal and hope. One of the most profound signs that God is preparing to restore what you've lost is an overwhelming sense of peace. This peace is not the absence of challenges or chaos, but a calmness that settles in your heart, assuring you that everything will be okay. It often comes unexpectedly, washing over you like a gentle wave, even when your surroundings are far from peaceful. This inner calm is a signal from God, a divine reassurance that you are on the right path and that restoration is near. This peace transcends understanding. While others may wonder how you remain composed in the face of adversity, you know that it's a peace anchored in faith. It's a deep-seated trust that God is in control, orchestrating everything for your good. This peace allows you to release anxiety and fear, replacing them with confidence and hope. It is a reminder that God has a plan, and though you may not see the entire picture, you can trust the process. Experiencing this peace may also prompt a shift in your perspective. You begin to see challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation rather than obstacles. This change in mindset is crucial because it aligns you with the divine flow of life, where restoration becomes not only possible but inevitable. You find yourself embracing each day with gratitude, knowing that the loss you experienced is paving the way for something greater. Moreover, this peace serves as a foundation for your spiritual journey. It deepens your connection with God, allowing you to hear His voice more clearly and follow His guidance with confidence. As you cultivate this sense of peace, you become more attuned to the subtle signs of restoration around you, further reinforcing your belief that God is at work in your life. In moments of doubt or uncertainty, this peace will be your anchor, grounding you in the truth that God's plans for you are filled with hope and promise. It will remind you that even in the midst of loss, you are never alone, and that restoration is not just a possibility but a certainty. Embrace this peace, let it fill your heart, and watch as God restores everything you've lost and more. Another clear sign that God is about to restore what you've lost is the sudden appearance of unexpected opportunities. These opportunities often seem to come out of nowhere, catching you by surprise and opening doors you never imagined could open. It's as if the universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning circumstances and people to bring about the change you've been longing for. These opportunities can take many forms. Perhaps it's a new job offer that aligns perfectly with your passions and skills, or an invitation to participate in a project that excites and inspires you. It might be a chance meeting with someone who offers guidance or support just when you need it most. These are not mere coincidences. They are divine interventions designed to propel you forward and restore what you've lost. Embracing these opportunities requires an open heart and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. It might be tempting to dismiss them as too good to be true or to hesitate out of fear of failure. However, these opportunities are gifts from God, and they come with the promise of growth and renewal. Trusting in God's plan means having the courage to take the leap, even when the path ahead is uncertain. As you seize these opportunities, you may notice a ripple effect. One positive change leads to another, setting off a chain reaction of blessings and restoration. This momentum is a powerful reminder that when you align yourself with God's purpose, the universe responds with abundance. Your willingness to embrace the unknown becomes a catalyst for transformation, opening doors you never thought possible. Remember, these opportunities are not just about material or professional gain. They are also about personal and spiritual growth. Each new experience challenges you to expand your horizons, learn new skills, and deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you. Embrace these opportunities with gratitude, knowing that they are part of God's greater plan to restore and enrich your life. Reconnecting with people from your past is another powerful sign that God is working to restore what you've lost. These reconnections often happen unexpectedly, as if the universe is orchestrating events to bring people back into your life at just the right moment. Whether it's a long-lost friend reaching out or a chance encounter with a former colleague, these moments hold deep significance. Relationships are a cornerstone of our existence, and the loss of a meaningful connection can leave a void in our hearts. When God begins to restore these lost relationships, it's a sign that healing and reconciliation are on the horizon. These reconnections offer an opportunity to mend old wounds, seek forgiveness, and build bridges where there were once walls. The process of reconnecting can be both joyful and challenging. It requires vulnerability and openness, a willingness to let go of past grievances and embrace the possibility of a fresh start. As you navigate these renewed relationships, you'll discover the transformative power of forgiveness and the beauty of second chances. God uses these moments to teach us about grace and redemption, reminding us that no relationship is beyond repair. Reconnecting with lost relationships also enriches your journey by providing support, encouragement, and shared experiences. These people have walked with you before and can offer insights and perspectives that are invaluable as you move forward. Their presence serves as a reminder that you are not alone, and that God places people in your life for a reason. In some cases, these reconnections may lead to new beginnings, sparking friendships or partnerships that bring joy and fulfillment. Embrace these moments with gratitude, recognizing them as divine gifts that contribute to your healing and restoration. Let go of any fear or hesitation, and trust that God is guiding you toward relationships that will nurture your soul and enrich your life. A significant sign that God is preparing to restore what you've lost is a noticeable increase in your faith and spiritual awareness. This deepening of faith often comes during times of struggle or uncertainty, when you feel the most vulnerable and in need of divine guidance. It's in these moments that you find yourself turning to God more frequently, seeking comfort and clarity in prayer and reflection. As your faith grows, so does your ability to trust in God's plan, even when it seems unclear or challenging. You begin to see the bigger picture, understanding that every loss and setback is a stepping stone toward a greater purpose. This newfound faith empowers you to let go of fear and doubt, replacing them with hope and confidence in God's promises. This increase in faith also enhances your spiritual sensitivity, allowing you to recognize the signs of restoration more easily. You become attuned to the subtle ways God is working in your life, guiding you toward healing and renewal. This heightened awareness enables you to make decisions with greater wisdom and discernment, aligning your actions with God's will. With increased faith, you may find yourself embracing practices that strengthen your spiritual connection. Whether it's prayer, meditation, or reading sacred texts, these practices become a source of strength and inspiration. They provide a foundation upon which you can build a life centered on faith and trust in God. As you experience this spiritual growth, you become a beacon of hope for others, inspiring them to cultivate their own faith and trust in God's plan. Your journey becomes a testament to the transformative power of faith, demonstrating that with God, all things are possible. Embrace this increase in faith as a sign that restoration is near, and that God is preparing to fulfill his promises in your life. Feeling a strong urge to let go of the past is another sign that God is preparing to restore what you've lost. This urge can manifest as a sudden realization that holding on to past hurts, regrets, or failures is preventing you from moving forward. It's as if a weight is being lifted from your shoulders, allowing you to breathe easier and see the possibilities that lie ahead. Letting go of the past is a crucial step in the process of restoration. It creates space for new blessings and opportunities to enter your life. By releasing old grudges, disappointments, and fears, you free yourself from the shackles of the past, opening your heart to healing and renewal. This process of release can be challenging, but it is essential for growth and transformation. As you let go of the past, you'll find that your perspective begins to shift. You start to see your experiences not as failures, but as valuable lessons that have shaped who you are today. This change in mindset is empowering, allowing you to embrace your journey with gratitude and optimism. You realize that every challenge and setback has brought you closer to the person you are meant to be. In this state of openness, you become more receptive to the signs of restoration that God is sending your way. You begin to notice the beauty and abundance in your life, appreciating the blessings that you might have overlooked before. This newfound appreciation fuels your faith and hope, reinforcing the belief that God is actively working to restore what you've lost. Embrace this urge to let go as a divine invitation to step into a brighter future. Trust that as you release the past, you are making room for the incredible blessings that God has in store for you. Let this process of release be a testament to your faith and resilience, paving the way for a life filled with peace, joy, and abundance. Receiving confirmation through prayer or meditation is a profound sign that God is restoring what you've lost. In these moments of stillness and reflection, you open your heart and mind to divine guidance, allowing God to speak to you in powerful ways. These confirmations often come as feelings of peace, clarity, or reassurance that you are on the right path. Prayer and meditation provide a sacred space where you can connect with God, seeking answers and understanding about your life's journey. During these times, you may experience a sense of knowing or a deep conviction that restoration is underway. This confirmation can manifest as a scripture that resonates deeply with you, a vision of hope, or a quiet whisper in your heart. These moments of divine insight are precious, offering direction and encouragement as you navigate the challenges of life. They remind you that God is listening, responding to your prayers, and actively working to bring about the change you desire. This confirmation strengthens your faith, reinforcing the belief that you are not alone and that God is guiding your every step. Embrace these moments of connection with gratitude, allowing them to fuel your faith and determination. Trust that God is revealing his plan for your life, and that every step you take is leading you closer to restoration and fulfillment. These confirmations are not just messages for you alone. They are also an opportunity to inspire others with your testimony of faith and hope. As you continue to seek God's guidance through prayer and meditation, remain open to the signs and confirmations he provides. Let them be a source of comfort and strength, guiding you toward the future God has planned for you. Embrace this journey with confidence, knowing that restoration is not just a possibility, but a promise that God will fulfill. Experiencing renewed energy and motivation is a powerful indication that God is preparing to restore what you've lost. This surge of vitality often arrives when you least expect it, invigorating your spirit and filling you with a sense of purpose and determination. It's as if a new light has been ignited within you, propelling you forward with enthusiasm and drive. This renewed energy can manifest in various aspects of your life. You may find yourself waking up with a sense of excitement for the day ahead, eager to tackle new challenges and explore new opportunities. Projects that once felt daunting now seem achievable, and tasks that were once burdensome are approached with ease and joy. This burst of motivation is a sign that God is clearing the path for restoration. It empowers you to take action, make changes, and pursue your goals with confidence and vigor. With this newfound energy, you can break free from the stagnation that may have held you back, embracing the possibilities that await you. In this state of renewal, You may also discover a greater sense of creativity and inspiration. Ideas flow more freely, and you feel compelled to express yourself in new and meaningful ways. This creative spark is a reflection of the divine energy at work in your life, guiding you toward the fulfillment of your dreams and desires. As you embrace this renewed energy, remember to remain grounded in your faith and purpose. Use this motivation to align your actions with God's will, trusting that He is leading you toward restoration and abundance. Let this energy be a testament to the transformative power of faith, reminding you that with God, all things are possible. Witnessing small miracles or synchronicities is a beautiful sign that God is working to restore what you've lost. These occurrences often seem magical, as if the universe is orchestrating events to align perfectly in your favor. They serve as gentle reminders that you are on the right path and that restoration is within reach. These miracles can take many forms, from meeting the right person at the right time to experiencing a series of fortunate events that defy explanation. They may be small, everyday occurrences that bring joy and wonder, or they may be significant breakthroughs that lead to profound change. Regardless of their size, these miracles are a testament to God's presence and power in your life. Synchronicities, or meaningful coincidences, also play a significant role in the journey of restoration. These events often feel like divine winks, nudging you toward your destiny and confirming that you are aligned with God's plan. They might manifest as repeated symbols, numbers, or themes that appear in your life, each carrying a message of encouragement and hope. Embracing these small miracles and synchronicities requires an open heart and a willingness to see the extraordinary in the ordinary. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude and mindfulness, you become more attuned to these signs, allowing them to guide and inspire you on your journey. As you witness these divine occurrences, let them strengthen your faith and affirm your belief in God's plan for your life. Trust that these miracles are paving the way for restoration and renewal, bringing you closer to the fulfillment of your dreams and desires. Celebrate each miracle, no matter how small, and let them remind you that you are never alone, and that God is always with you, working to bring about the blessings you seek. In the journey of restoration, God provides us with signs and signals that guide us back to what we've lost. From the inner peace that calms our hearts to the unexpected opportunities that open new doors, these signs are reminders that we are not alone in our struggles. By recognizing and embracing these signs, we align ourselves with God's plan and open our hearts to the blessings He has in store. As we let go of the past and deepen our faith, we become more attuned to the divine guidance that leads us to restoration. With renewed energy and motivation, we embrace the journey with confidence and hope, trusting that God is working tirelessly to restore what we've lost. The small miracles and synchronicities we witness along the way are affirmations of His presence and power in our lives. As you embark on this journey of restoration, hold fast to your faith and trust in God's promises. Know that every step you take is leading you closer to the fulfillment of your dreams and desires. Embrace the signs, stay open to the possibilities, and let God's love and guidance illuminate your path to restoration and renewal.